let's talk about contractions. A contraction is a form of word shortening that comes from speech. The most common are combining the verbs am, are, is, have, has, had, will, shall, and would with the word not. When we make a contraction, we combine two words and remove a letter or two. An apostrophe is used to show the missing letters, and this is put where the letters are replaced. For example, I am becomes I'm, are not becomes aren't, and they had becomes they'd. There are two special notes. Will not becomes won't, not willn't, and also the apostrophe s in contractions like he's and she's could be either is or has. Contractions are most common in spoken English and not recommended in writing, especially academic writing.